Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Choose milk and a starter deliberately. Use 1 liter whole milk for creamier texture or skim for lighter yogurt. If you have raw milk, pasteurize it first by bringing to 72 degrees C for 15 seconds or to 85 degrees C for brief boil. For the starter, use 2 tablespoons of active plain yogurt with live cultures or 1/8 teaspoon of a freeze-dried commercial culture per liter. Plan your process so milk is heated, held briefly, and cooled to the correct inoculation temperature for reliable fermentation. Heat milk in a heavy stainless steel pot to 85 degrees C and hold it for 5 minutes. This denatures proteins and yields thicker final yogurt. Stir frequently to prevent scorching and use a digital thermometer so you can read temperatures precisely. After the hold, cool the milk to 43 degrees C either by an ice bath or by letting it sit at room temperature while stirring gently. Accuracy to plus or minus 1 degrees C improves results. Before adding culture, reserve 1/4 cup of the. Mix the starter by dissolving 2 tablespoons of active yogurt or 1/8 teaspoon freeze-dried culture into the reserved 1/4 cup warm milk. Then fold that into the full liter gently to avoid over-aeration. Pour into clean containers and incubate at 43 degrees C for 6 to 12 hours depending on the tanginess you want. Use a yogurt maker, oven with the light on, insulated thermos, or warm water bath to maintain stable heat. When set, chill at 4 degrees C for at least 4 hours to firm the curd. Then refrigerate long-term and reserve 1 to 2 tablespoons to prime the next batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.